A House committee is debating whether to impeach Texas Court of Criminal Appeals Judge Sharon Keller. Central to the arguments, the day in 2007 she refused to keep her office open late so a lawyer could file an appeal for a man on Texas death row. KXAN political reporter Jenny Hoff tells us how some family members of death row inmates are pushing for that impeachment.
The allegations against
in a room full of reporters listening to a debate about Judge Sharon Keller sits Terry Bean, a woman whose brother sits on death row, awaiting his fate.
Now my brother still faces execution. His sentence wasn't commuted, and so I'm fighting for my brother for the future because he could fall under her, and I don't want that.
Bean and other family members of death row inmates are fighting for a resolution to impeach Keller. In their camp, Representative Lon Burnham, who says impeachment is a privileged motion. That means even if the House committee doesn't pass it, he can still bring it up for a vote on the House floor.
The allegation and concern that is raised is that the top-ranking judge, the head of this court, is guilty of judicial homicide.
Keller has a court hearing in August on her decision to close her office despite Michael Richard's appeal hours before his execution. Senator Dan Patrick says it's not the legislature's place to make a ruling in this case.
I just think the legislature to suggest impeachment, or a legislator to do that, it would appear to me someone looking for headlines.
If the House agrees to impeach the judge, she would be taken off the bench until the Senate completed her trial. Jenny Hoff, KXAN Austin News.